Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to see the notification history on your Google Pixel 8a. Let's get started, but firstly, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, if you are in the situation when you are getting a lot of notifications and you are afraid that you can miss an important one, don't worry, there is a way how to solve this problem. Firstly, open settings on your phone. After this, click on notifications and notification history. By default, this function is disabled. So if we click on this slider right here, we will turn on this function, and after this you'd be able to see all of the notification, aka notification history. And that's it. Now you will not miss any important notification. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.